Good evening, everyone. Let me introduce Ms. Sunanda. She was suffering from both hip arthritis, and she is very young, and she is 28 years. She underwent both hip replacement. I am with this video. I want you all to hear what she says and her experiences about hip joint replacement surgery. Over to Sunanda. She is with me now. Please tell me.
Hi all. Previously I was suffering from both our hip joint pain. I am unable to walk also. I am unable to go on steps. I have suffered very much. After hip replacement, I was walking little bit better, and recently I have taken surgery. So now I am feeling better, and after that I have one more fracture. For that also I have done surgery. So now I am feeling better.
What about how much distance, how many days after surgery you were made to walk?
Within 1 week, 15 days.
Within 15 days? Both
Yes.
the hips are replaced
Yes.
in gap of 3 days.
Yes.
And how much distance you can walk now?
Now not more. I can walk little bit
You
distance.
can
Still
walk
I
back.
need time
You
to
need
walk.
time.
Yes.
Because you had a fracture.
Yes.
But after hip replacement of both sides, you could walk for like 1 kilometers.
Yes. Yes.
You can walk for
Yes.
And how much time you can sit on the chair?
I can sit 2 hours.
2 hours you can sit. Okay. And you can carry out your daily activities.
Yes.
And what do you feel about hip joint replacement surgery? It's a good surgery, and what?
Yes,
Because
it's
you
a-
had severe pain and you had a severe advanced arthritis, and now that you are improved from this pain.
Yes, it was totally improved. Previously I was full of pain. After surgery, now I am not feeling any pain.
Okay.
It's good surgery.
Hip replacement is a good,
Good
surgery.
surgery,
You have
yes.
to. What is the message you want to give to the audience that because you have underwent, you are very young, you are 28 years, and you have underwent hip joint replacement surgery, and both sides, and you are able to do. You are able to do all the activities. What is the one message for all the arthritis patients you want to give to through this media?
Please take a treatment early, as I have consulted the great doctor who did surgery for me. I was very thankful to him.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks.